Astro-Imaging. I'm going to share this on my page right now, so this way everybody knows that I am live, and there we are going to be doing another broadcast tonight. Adding a few things as I go along here. A new one, as you can tell, it's just me. There's no background. Look at, where did it go? I have no idea. I learned something today about what's called chroma key, and that's awesome. I was doing it on some of the videos on recorded, but now we're actually doing it live, which is super awesome. Fantastic. Okay, so tonight, what we have scheduled, and it's another late night because it's another late riser. Last night was the Pleiades. Turned out really well. Just got to get the video together. That will be up tomorrow. The condensed version, along with the short video with the processed image, that will be tomorrow, which is Sunday. For tonight, another late riser, and that is what's called NGC 1499. And we're going to pull it up here. Give it a second. Okay. It is a wonderful emission nebula. The name of this object is called the California Nebula, which actually resembles the state of California. And this isn't the greatest representation of it, as this would be the top going all the way to the bottom, so it kind of looks like a foot for this, but it's actually like the state of California. I've gotten this before, only once before, and that was in November of last year. Only took 3 exposures. It was one of the last ones that I took to end 2016, was this one. So I have not gotten this one since. So it has been almost a year since the last time I got this. So I'm very excited. We got 2 cameras rolling at the same time again for the second straight night. Information on this one super quick, because we're going to be rolling. We're going to be going super fast. We're actually in the midst of taking images right now. So we should get 3 on the right and 2 on the left. So we'll get 2 and 3, and then I'll end the broadcast. This is going to be the setup of how I'm going to do it from here on out. Keeping it under 45 minutes. That way condensed, I can get it between 10 to 15. Sound good? I sure hope so. And also keeping the short video at 2 minutes and 51 seconds. It's going to be just smooth. Everything's just going to be running so well. So we don't have to worry about anything. So there you go. There's no description on it. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, NGC 1499. That's right. And then the bright star over there is called Menkib, which is a brighter star. It's 3.96 magnitude. So in a regular light polluted area, it's just out of sight. You won't see it with your naked eye in the red zone. In the yellow zone or orange zone, you might be able to catch it if you have dark adapted eyes, meaning that if you're out there for 20 minutes, you might be able to catch that star. But it'd be very tough. In a dark sky site, this would be just as bright as one of the brighter stars in a light polluted area. So where this sits in the sky, I'm actually going to zoom it out so you can get an idea where it is. Where we were shooting last night is the Pleiades, which is right there, which is M45. We're just making a left turn and heading over here, and that's where the California Nebula is. This bright star that you see over here is Capella. That is a super bright star. As you can tell, its magnitude is just about 0. Which is one of the brightest stars out in the sky. Of course, you also have Sirius, Fomalhaut, Vega. You have the really bright stars, which range anywhere from -1 to 0. And then, of course, the positive, it goes higher and higher and higher. So that one is 0, so it's very, very bright. You'll be able to see that in the sky. And this one's up on the northeast and rising. So you'll be able to see that. So, not bad. Where it's sitting for altitude right now is it's 30 degrees altitude right now. So that's not terrible. We're right above the light pollution muck, so we should be in good shape. We are shooting 20-minute images on the left, and we're shooting 15, 16, 17 minutes, I think, on the right. Yeah, it's 17. So, pretty long exposures, only because it's a nebula, and with the dark emission, not dark, the red hydrogen emission gas, you should be able to pick up a lot of stuff. Let me check how guiding is. Phenomenal tonight. Guiding is going really well. We're definitely doing really good. It does cop out at about 40 degrees above the horizon. So we got 10 degrees to play with, because the last 3 times I've done objects in the northeastern sky, anything ranging from 30 to 40 is great. Anything above 40, you're going to have the mount, and then it's going to become unbalanced because of the weight. I've leveled it out, but you're going to get flexure. So your guiding's going to be bouncing all over the place. So your best bet is to make sure it's 100% level and ready to go, and you're shooting between, again, 30 and 40 degrees, so this way you don't get the horizon of the muck. So hang tight. This one on the right's got about 4.5, 5 minutes to go, and then we'll be able to see what this one looks like. And the one on the left, we still got about 8 minutes, so we still got a long way to go on the left one. And we are shooting in hydrogen alpha. That's why you see the red on the left. So hydrogen alpha, you will be able to see it. This thing is going to be sitting right here. And it's a little bit faint. You can actually see it a little bit right here. And this was only a 45-second image, and you can actually see some of the nebulosity all throughout here. Let me pull it up. This is Menkib right here, this bright star there. And then you have a little design, not a little design, but a little pattern here. So it's going to sit. The left side's going to be right here, and the right side's going to be right here. And the top, it's just barely going to cut the top off, and the bottom's going to sit like right down here. I tried to get it as best as I could, and of course the center of the Orion camera is going to be right here. So you're going to get the heart of this nebula right in this area. So hang tight. We're going to have some fun tonight. It's going to be awesome. I'm hoping to get some great images. We'll be back in about 220 seconds. So just hang tight. I'm just going to be on my phone for just a little bit. So again, message me. Let me know. I'll be here. No comments. No nothing right now. But just let me know. Alright, we got less than a minute on this one to see how this one's going to turn out. I'm excited. I can't wait to see how this one's going to be. With guiding going so-so, there was a little bit of a hiccup there, but other than that, it's been good. We got 20 seconds. Here we go. I hope that it doesn't fail again like it did last night. I didn't touch anything, so... It failed again. Go figure. You knew that was going to happen. You just knew it was something like that was going to happen again. How did I know? How did I know? Yep, there it is. How about that? There it is, right there, right in view. That is the wonderful California Nebula, right there. I'm not sure if it's upside down, because I thought I oriented it with that. I'll have to look. Maybe not. Well, I can't tell. I think it's that star right there. Or these ones. Yeah. Okay. That's that one. So Yeah, okay. So that bright star that you see right there is this one right there. And then you have like what's a little triangle right here. That's this little triangle right there. Then you have these three stars that create this. That's these three right there. Okay. Alright, that's not bad. And then the heart of it is right here. And that's the middle of the image. So that's perfect. Excellent. And this one's going to be done. So this one we are going to zoom and fit to window. And we're going to take this one down. So get ready. Stars look beautiful. Whew. That's beautiful. Look at that. I like it. That is really cool. Fantastic. Now what I want to do is we're going to close this one out. Minimize this for a quarter of a second. Bring that back up. Take two. Still have no idea why it keeps failing, but as long as it saves the image, I guess it's okay. Just gonna keep going. Run sequence. You don't look too bad. There you go. Then you can really see it. And that's a pretty good image. I don't know. I might not have it. I might have it from last year. There it is, $14.99. I do have it. But I wonder, what was this from? It's a fit file. Oh, this was taken with the Finder. This was like a whole set of series taken one after another with my Finder scope. How about that? That's pretty cool. Because that's it right here. That's pretty interesting. I forgot I did that. I don't know. Okay, here they are. Okay. So it was under test for some weird reason. I don't know why. Okay, what I can probably do is I can go side by side. And you can see the difference. So here's your three stars right there. 1, 2, 3. I think it's these three stars right there. Because then you have this right here, 1, 2, 3. And that's 1, 2, 3. So it's oriented just a slight bit to the left. And this was a 17-minute exposure, the one on the right. And the one on the left is going to be 20. Not bad. And I think I did take a 30-minute exposure with this. I don't know how good it was. I can't remember. The histogram seems to be kind of low for some weird reason. I don't know why. not getting that much detail on it. It's just kind of, well... Oh, probably because... Yeah, that's a lot better. Oh, yeah, that's a lot better. Oh, jeez. There you go. That's the top of it right there. Now, that's pretty freaking awesome. Okay. So, I wonder... That is really cool. That was a 30-minute exposure taken last year. I wonder what it would look like. Oh, excuse me. With the red extracted out of this one. Now look at the histogram on this sucker. Whew. Wow. Wow. Oh, I'd say that's a lot better. That's really cool. Now, of course, that's stretching the histogram to like almost even. But that gives you all the detail there. That's pretty good. I like it. If I can get a whole bunch of these, I'm going to be very happy. So again, hang tight. We got another one coming up in about 12 minutes or so. So again, just hang out and we'll get the next one. And for time-wise, we got about another 10 minutes before I want to call it quits for the broadcast. And we're at 30 minutes right now. So when these two are done, that's when I will stop for tonight. Not for imaging, though. I'm still going to keep going. Imaging does not stop. Got to keep going. Last night I was out here till about 2:45. I plan on doing the same thing tonight. I'm going to try to get as much exposure time on this thing as I possibly can without it failing on me. At least I hope so. Alright, got about 15 seconds. Probably fail on me, but that's fine. Yep, filled in. Not the camera's problem, it's the program's problem for some weird reason, which I can't figure out why. More of a pain in the butt than anything. Alright, we're going to get this one here on the left. Call it a night.